Alright guys, so this is the Macau temple in Hong Kong, and as you can see the rain is just pouring down here. And a few minutes ago I actually found a little Swedish coffee shop, and I went in there and they had a lot of interesting stuff. They had some samples of Swedish herring, they had some aquavit like Skåne and O.P. Anderson, and some great coffee. And right now I'm in this temple, and look at the rain here, it's just pouring down from the sky. Anyway, I'm going to go inside here in the Macau temple. Okay, so I'm inside the temple here, and this is really a nice old temple, and we came in from the door here. I will just show you how it looks like. It's a little noisy in here. They're using fans. It's kind of warm actually. People come in to pray. They have incense, and they do their prayers in here, as you can see here. I will just do one lap here slowly so you can get the feeling for it. It's a little smoky. People pray to these various figures here, and up in the ceiling they have this incense that burn. You can actually pay for the ones that burn much longer. Seems to be pretty popular, and the taxi driver who took me here, he knew exactly where this was. So it's one of these most old and beautiful and important temples here in Hong Kong. The Macau temple. And again, look up here. You see these incense, they really can burn for a very long time. And I think people, they write down their prayers on these red notes you see up here. If you look up in the ceiling here, people actually write down what they believe in, or certain words or certain things they are thankful for, and what they want to happen. It's kind of dark in here, so I'm not sure how much you can see. But it's definitely an interesting place in the middle of Hong Kong. This is a small temple, and it's surrounded by these massive buildings that are like 30, 40, 50 floors tall, these skyscrapers, and this is what makes this town so interesting. I mean, you have the contrast. You have these enormous buildings, and then you have these smaller shrines in the middle of the big city, basically, where people can come and do their prayers and whatever they are into, right? See the guy here, he's really, doing his thing, right? All right. So that's about it. And outside the rain is just pouring down, and I see a lot of tourists here, by the way. People come from all over the world. They stop here and they want to see what's going on, because they read about it, some article on the internet or so. so I just found out what they do with this wall here. So basically, it looks like small mailboxes here, and people actually donate money because they like to do some wishes here, and they can actually put money in these slots here. And the temple is, as far as I know here, I asked, it's roughly 180 years old, pretty much. I heard a number like 178, something like that. So say roughly 180 years old, this temple. And people are coming here, you know, every day. And right now they have some stuff going on here because it's raining intensely here, and they're actually, the roof is leaking. So they are actually cleaning up here the leaking water here because of the rain. It's you know, it's a monsoon season here in Hong Kong, and the rain is just crazy outside. Look at that, it's just dripping down. Poor guys. They should use some of the money to fix the roof, I guess, right? So the rain is still pouring down here, and people are coming here and they are wet like crows, right? And it seems like there is no hope. Maybe in a little bit it will stop raining. So we are stuck in this temple here. Hello, how are you? So where are you from? You're from Hong Kong?
Yes.
Oh yeah, now you're YouTube, right?
Oh, you're a YouTuber?
I will be.
Oh.
Yeah, hello. Yeah. So it's raining a lot, right?
Yeah.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
How do you like it, this type of weather? Normal?
It's so bad. It's awful.
It's awful, right?
Yeah.
You want sunshine and beautiful beaches like that. Yeah, okay.
Actually, we are like our school this is an activity. Yeah, from our school, and then we need to like walk at Central, and then we need to get some points. But now it's raining, so we can't. Like,
I know, it's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's so crazy.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, nice meeting you.
Yeah, thank you.
Good luck. Okay, bye. Alright, I guess I just have to wait. Maybe the rain will stop here in the nearest hour. You're kind of trapped there. I mean, once it's raining, you can't go anywhere. It's just pouring down like crazy, you know? Super crazy. Alright, so you know, the crazy rain here, it's not going on. I mean, it's still going on here, and I'm still standing here under the roof. And I don't really have any choice. I'm kind of stuck here. It's a tropical monsoon rain here in Hong Kong. I'm just waiting, and I'm hoping that the rain will disappear so I can go and grab some food somewhere, but it doesn't look that good right now. You know, mornings are usually good, then afternoon, then midday it's sunny, and then afternoon the rain starts. So it's going to rain a few hours at least. And this is like hour number 1, I guess. So we'll see. So I think I need to go and buy an umbrella at some point to protect my gear, right? And you see people are dressed up in plastic on the other side here, outside this nice 200-year-old temple here. You see these buildings here, that's usually how people live in these flats. They call them flats here in Hong Kong. Alright, so not much to do. We're just waiting out the rain here, and hopefully it stops and I can move on to the next adventure, right? Yeah, this is on Hollywood Road in Hong Kong. Alright, So the Man-Mo temple was over there, and traffic is just crazy right here. You see the cars are just lined up here like crazy. And I will just go to the other side here in the rain. All right. And it's raining and raining and raining. And you know, I can't go out in the rain because I have a nice microphone outside, and if I go outside it will be totally ruined, right? So I can't do that, but you get the picture. Here's the street, here's the Hollywood Road. Late afternoon, and traffic is crazy, right?